The gentle hum of the Pacific Ocean set the stage for an extraordinary evening at Bondi Beach. Crowds gathered, eyes fixed on the horizon, not for the surf, but for a celestial event months in the making. As twilight deepened, a sliver of orange light broke above the water, then grew impossibly fast. The moon rose, immense and glowing, its craters and seas etched in apricot and rose against the indigo sky. This was no ordinary moonrise. It was a celestial giant dominating the night. A golden pathway shimmered across the ocean, inviting all to marvel at its grandeur. The moon felt so close, as if you could reach out and touch its ancient surface. Phones tried to capture the spectacle, but the real magic was in the shared awe of the moment. For a few minutes, the city paused, united in wonder beneath the great Beaver Supermoon of 2025. It was more than an astronomical event. It was a communal reminder of our place in the universe. What makes a supermoon so special? It's when a full moon coincides with the moon's closest approach to Earth, its perigee. This perfect alignment means the moon appears up to 14% larger and 30% brighter than a typical full moon. The effect is striking. Landscapes bathed in brilliant, ethereal light. The term supermoon isn't official astronomy. It was coined in 1979 by astrologer Richard Knoll. Astronomers prefer perigee syzygy, but supermoon captures the public's imagination. Supermoons aren't rare. We see a few each year, though some are more dramatic than others. The 2025 Beaver Moon was special because its closest approach nearly matched the moment it was perfectly full. That timing made it the biggest and brightest supermoon of the year. Millions looked up, sharing a moment of cosmic appreciation. It's a phenomenon that invites us all to step outside and look up. To understand supermoons, we need to look at the moon's orbit. Unlike a perfect circle, the moon's path is an ellipse, sometimes closer, sometimes farther from Earth. At its farthest, or apogee, the moon is about 405,500 kilometers away. At its closest, or perigee, it's around 363,300 kilometers. That 42,000 kilometer difference is why supermoons happen. A full moon at apogee is called a micromoon, smaller and dimmer. A supermoon is the opposite, a full moon at perigee, appearing larger and brighter. In November 2025, the moon was just 356,157 kilometers away, an exceptionally close approach. This cosmic dance is shaped by gravity, with the sun and planets tugging at the moon's path. The result? A dynamic, ever-shifting orbit that occasionally gives us these spectacular supermoon nights. It's a beautiful ballet, billions of years in the making. As the supermoon rose over Bondi, another phenomenon played out: the moon illusion. When the moon hugs the horizon, it looks enormous, much bigger than when it's high in the sky. But the moon's actual size doesn't change. It's all in our minds. Our brains compare the moon to objects on the horizon, trees, buildings, the ocean, making it seem huge. High overhead, with nothing to compare, it appears smaller. This illusion has puzzled thinkers for centuries. You can test it. Hold a coin at arm's length and cover the moon. It fits, whether on the horizon or overhead. The 2025 supermoon was already physically closer and larger. Combined with the moon illusion, the effect was staggering. The result, a celestial giant rising, unforgettable and awe-inspiring. It's a reminder of how our perception shapes our experience of the cosmos. The supermoon's grandeur was as much a trick of the mind as a marvel of nature. Every full moon has a traditional name. November's is the Beaver Moon. The name comes from Native American and colonial traditions, marking the time when beavers prepare for winter and trappers set their final traps. The bright moonlight was essential for these activities, making the Beaver Moon a key seasonal marker. In the Southern Hemisphere, November means spring, not frost, but the name connects us to a shared human story. Calling it the Beaver Moon links us to centuries of observation and our timeless fascination with the night sky. The 2025 Beaver Supermoon wasn't just beautiful, it was scientifically remarkable. The moon was over 27,000 kilometers closer than average, appearing 7% larger and 15% brighter than a typical full moon. This proximity also amplified its gravitational pull, creating slightly higher king tides along coastlines. The effect is usually modest, but in some places it can lead to minor flooding. Beyond the numbers, the supermoon stirs something deeper. For millennia, the moon has inspired myths, art, and science, a constant companion in our sky. Events like this prompt us to pause, step outside, and reconnect with the universe. The supermoon feeds both our curiosity and our sense of wonder. It's a spectacle for the mind and the soul. In its light, we find perspective, peace, and a reminder of our place in the cosmos. For Sydney's photographers, the supermoon was a creative challenge and a rare opportunity. Weeks of planning went into finding the perfect spot, framing the moon behind the Opera House or Harbour Bridge. Telephoto lenses compressed distance, making the moon look enormous against the cityscape. The results were stunning. Fiery orbs over Bronte, gentle giants above the Blue Mountains, and silent sentinels over the city. Each photo told a unique story, capturing the magic of the night. These images inspired wonder and served as lasting reminders of when the universe leaned in a little closer. Sydney's photographers helped everyone relive the awe of that night. Sydney's supermoon was part of a global spectacle, passed from one time zone to the next. As the Earth turned, people in Tokyo, Mumbai, Rome, and New York all looked up at the same moon. Social media became a digital campfire, uniting millions in real-time wonder. The sky is the one roof that unites us all. No nation owns the moon. When we look up, we share the same view as Galileo, ancient poets, and people on the other side of the world. For one night, differences faded. We were simply earthlings, united in awe. The supermoon fostered a rare sense of global unity. In that moment, we were all connected by wonder. As the supermoon climbed higher, its fiery hues faded to dazzling white, but its brilliance remained. The dramatic opening act was over, leaving the moon to reign as a familiar beacon. These moments are precious because they're fleeting, punctuation marks in our lives. If you missed this supermoon, don't worry, there will be more. The moon has guided, inspired, and connected us for millennia. Looking up links us to every human who's ever wondered at the night sky. The next time a supermoon is due, gather your loved ones and watch. No fancy equipment needed, just your eyes and a sense of wonder. Watching the moon rise is a timeless, priceless experience. Until we meet again, Supermoon.